This girl had a cow friend who treated her like family. No matter how far she was, he would run to her, sometimes even falling asleep on her lap. He would get jealous whenever the girl held her puppy and insist on squeezing next to her. Later, the girl had to leave the city, and they were forced to separate. After losing her, the cow was like a lost soul, refusing to eat or drink, listless all day. When the girl found out, she rushed home early, and the moment she appeared, the cow immediately regained his energy and became the happy little bull again. Now, 20 years later, their friendship remains unbreakable. Their story proves that true affection knows no species or boundaries. If you also find their bond heartwarming, please give it a like.